their online lectures. We are continuing with our topic of bills of exchange. This is part 5 of the chapter. Let's do another illustration. Ajay owes rupees 45,000 to Ashwin. On 12th July 2019, Ashwin received a check of rupees 15,000 from Ajay, and for the balance, Ajay accepted a bill for 3 months. So how much he owes? 45,000. And how much check he has given for? 15,000. So for the balance amount, Ajay is accepting a bill for 3 months. So Ashwin here is the drawer and Ajay here is the drawee. Ashwin got the bill discounted with his bank at the rate of 15% per annum on the same date. So we have to calculate the discount. Give journal entries in the books of Ajay and Ashwin for the following cases. When the bill is dishonored on due date, and the bill is first is when the bill is honored on due date, and next is the bill is dishonored on due date and the bank pays noting charges of rupees 300. So we have to prepare journal entries in the books of both Ajay and Ashwin. Okay, so let's draw the journal and start. So let's start. This is the journal of drawer and drawee. Drawer here is Ashwin and drawee here is Ajay. So first is Ajay owes 45,000 to Ashwin. What is the meaning of the word owes? That means Ajay has to pay to Ashwin. Okay. So first how he is paying? He is paying by check he is paying 15,000, and for the balance means 45,000 minus 15,000. For the balance, that means for 30,000 Ashwin is drawing a bill. So let's write the entries first. There is no purchase or sale of goods, so you will not write that entry. Write the date 2019 July 12th. Bank account debit. How much he is receiving by check? 15,000. So write here 15,000. And the bill he is drawing for 30,000. To Ajay account is 45,000. And what is the narration? Being check received and bill drawn for the balance amount. Being check received and bill drawn for balance. This is clear? We will do books of drawer first, then we will go to the books of drawing. Now on the same day he is discounting the bill with his bank. So what is the entry for discount? Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable, that is the entry. Now we have to calculate the amount of discount. Bills receivable, we know the amount 30,000. They have given us discount is 15% per annum. So let's see what is the discount. Discount is, what is the amount of bill? 30,000 into 15 upon 100 into bill is drawn for how many months? 3 months. 3 upon 12. So your answer is 1125. Okay, so this is the amount of discount. So write here discount 1125. So 30,000 minus 1125 is the amount that this drawer is receiving. So 28,875 is what the drawer is receiving when it discounts the bill with the bank. Right, being bill discounted with bank. With bank. Now what is asked? They are saying on due date, there are two options they have given us. Bill is honored and bill is dishonored and noting charge is paid. So first we have to find out the due date. July 12th is the bill. So for 3 months. So after July, August, September, October. So 12th October, add 3 days of grace. So 15th October. So right here October 15th. Now when the bill is honored, then there is no entry. Okay, drawer has already received the money. Okay, so there is no entry. And when it is dishonored and noting charges is paid, then you have to write Ajay account debit to bank account. 30,000 and noting charges 300. So 30,300 being dishonor of bill and noting charges paid by bank. Okay. Now let's do the same sum in books of the drawee. So drawee here is Ajay, write the date first, 2019 July 12th. Who's the drawer? Ashwin. Ashwin account debit to bank because check is paid for 15,000, right here 15,000, right here 45,000, and 2 bills payable. How much? 30,000 being amount paid by check and bill accepted for balance, being amount paid by check and accepted bill for the balance. Now when the bill is honored on due date, so what is the due date? October 15th. So what is the entry? Bills payable account debit to cash bank account 30,000. The bill is drawn only for 30,000. Okay, being honor of bill or being bill honored. Now when the bill is dishonored and noting charges paid, same date, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit, to the name of the drawer, Ashwin account. So bills payable is 30,000, noting charges is 300, so Ashwin is 30,300. Alright, what you will write here? Being bill dishonored and noting charges payable. Charges payable. Okay, so this is the journal of Ashwin and journal of Ajay. Payal sold goods of rupees 30,000 to Vedika at 10% trade discount on 16th Feb 2019. On the same date, Vedika accepted a bill drawn by Payal for the amount, that means the same amount 30,000, for 3 months. Payal endorsed the bill to Prachi on 18th Feb 2019. Give journal entries in the books of Payal, Vedika and Prachi when the bill is honored on due date, and second is when the bill is dishonored and noting charges rupees 200 is paid by Prachi. So books of drawer, drawee and endorsee. Okay, so we have to draw 3 journals now: books of Payal, books of Vedika and books of Prachi. Okay, let's start. So here is the journal of drawer, drawee and the endorsee. Payal is the drawer, this is journal of Payal. Vedika is the drawee, journal of Vedika, and the endorsee is Prachi. So this is Journal of Prachi. Okay, so let's start. Payal has sold goods to Vandana at 10% trade discount. So let's write the date first. 2019 February 16th. Okay, now Vedika account debit to sales. Now what is the amount? It is 30,000. 30,000 at 10% discount. 10% is 1000. 10% is 3,000. So 30,000 minus 3,000 is 27,000. So Vedika to sales is 27,000. Now narration I won't write, I'll just tell you. Being goods sold on credit at 10% trade discount. Now let us do books of drawer first. Then what is this person doing? Payal. She is endorsing. No, first she is drawing a bill. This is sales and now she will draw a bill on the same date. So on same date write down bills receivable account debit amount 27,000 to Vedika. What will be the narration? Being bill drawn for 3 months and acceptance received. Now on 18th Feb she is endorsing it to Prachi. So this is 18th. So let's write here Prachi account debit to bills receivable, and the narration will be being bill endorsed to Prachi. Okay. Now we have to give journal entries when the bill is honored and the bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges are paid. So let's find out the due date first. So bill is drawn on 16th Feb for 3 months. So March, April, May, 16th May and 3 days of grace. So add to that 19th May. So you write here May 19th, the bill is honored. When the bill is honored, there will be no entry, because who will receive the money? Prachi will receive. The bill is endorsed to Prachi, so there will be no entry. And suppose the bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges is paid by Prachi. How much noting charges is paid? 200. So then the entry will be Vedika account debit to Prachi account, and it will be this 27,000 plus the amount of noting charges. So 27,200. Here also 27,200. Being dishonor of bill and noting charges paid by Prachi. Okay. So you can write the narration on your own. Anyway, I am telling you all the narrations. Let's go to the books of drawing. First is purchase. So same date 2019 February 16. Purchases account debit to name of the drawer Payal. Amount is 27,000. 30,000 minus 10% discount is 27,000. Being goods purchased on credit at 10% trade discount. Now accepting a new bill. So Payal account debit to bills payable account. Same amount 27,000. What will be the narration? Being bill accepted for 3 months. Now bill is being endorsed, no entry for that, no entry in the books of drawing when the bill is being endorsed or discounted or sent to bank for collection. The drawing has nothing to do with that. Now on due date, the bill is honored. So May 19th, the bill is honored. So you will write bills payable account debit to cash bank. 27,000. Being acceptance honored on due date or being bill paid on due date. Now suppose the bill is dishonored, same date May 19th, and noting charges is paid by Prachi. So you will write bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit, to Payal, and this is 27,000, this is 200, so this is 27,200. What will be the narration? Being dishonor of bill and noting charges payable. Now come to the books of endorsee, that is Prachi. Prachi is the endorsee here. Now first is when she receives the bill. When she receives the bill, what is the entry? Which day she receives the bill? This 18th of Feb. So start from 18th Feb only. 2019 Feb 18. So she is receiving a bill. So bills receivable account debit 27,000 to, from whom she is receiving? Payal, to Payal account 27,000. Okay. Now when the bill is honored, she is receiving cash. So that is May 19th. Bill is honored. So cash bank account debit to bills receivable 27,000. And when the bill is dishonored and she has to pay the noting charges, then the entry will be same date, Payal account debit to bills receivable and to cash how much she has paid for noting charges. So bills receivable was 27,000 and cash what she paid was 200 rupees. So this is 27,200 rupees. Okay. So narration will be being dishonor of bills receivable and noting charges paid. So narrations I hope you all can do on your own, because I have been telling you all the narrations and you have been doing narration since last year. So I hope you have understood the sum. See you again. Thank you.